Alright, in this video we're going to be changing out my graphics card for this one right here. This computer came a long way, had it for a couple years. I did a short for it, the short did pretty good, so now we're going to be upgrading the GPU on it. Nothing's wrong with the one that it has in it, but wanted to do a little upgrade video, so hopefully you guys will enjoy it. I will put what exactly I'm switching it out to on there. I forget the exact model number, but you guys should see it pop up. First and foremost, this one was a Gateway XP, so I'm just gonna end up taking it off. You guys will see how I get to the old graphics card, which I still have and currently using it on another build. Let me know what your thoughts on it. You guys think this was a good upgrade or a bad upgrade? I'll put the one as well, the model name of the one I removed and swapped out, so you guys can tell me if I downgraded or upgraded. So just enjoy the rest of me taking this apart, and hopefully you guys enjoy this little video. Alright, wanted to share because, you know, I got this at a good deal. If you guys remember seeing my short, and now I did do another upgrade. I upgraded to 2 DDR sticks, but pretty much just enjoy the video. This is the Radeon graphics card that was in there, so just enjoy it. The other upgrade that I did do was also a terabyte memory stick. So that's about it. I'll chime back in towards the end of the video. I'm gonna just play some music over this, so you guys can just, if you guys want to do the same steps, just check out all the bolts that I take out and whatnot. Just follow through. All right. Alright, and that's about it. Like I said, I still have the one that I took out. Stay tuned, because YouTube being monetized, you guys watching these videos help me work on building my other computer. So stay tuned. I will have a video of that coming out soon. You guys probably know what case I'm going to be putting in it. Alright, see you guys on the next one. Later.